Cranberry juice powder is commonly used to reduce the risk of bladder infections and urinary tract infections. It can also help decrease the smell of urine in people who are unable to control urination. However, it's important to note that this product should not be used alone to treat bladder infections, as it may not be effective and could potentially allow the infection to worsen. It's always best to check with your pharmacist for more details about the specific brand you are using. Additionally, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more information about the safety and effectiveness of this product. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow the instructions provided on the product packaging or consult with a healthcare professional. When taking cranberry juice powder, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. If you're using the chewable form, be sure to chew it thoroughly before swallowing. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you experience symptoms of a urinary tract or bladder infection, it's important to consult with your doctor. They may recommend medication, such as antibiotics, to treat the infection. If you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. Some potential side effects of consuming cranberry juice powder include stomach upset, diarrhea, and severe stomach/abdominal pain. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction may occur, which can manifest as a rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to consult with your doctor if you experience any of these side effects. If you are in the U.S., you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using cranberry juice powder, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other problems. If you have a history of kidney stones or any other health problems, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using cranberry juice powder. Some forms of this product may contain sugar or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, liver disease, or any other condition that requires you to limit these substances in your diet, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you have surgery scheduled, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For pregnant women, it's important to use this product only when clearly needed and to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using cranberry juice powder if you are breastfeeding. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow the instructions on the product packaging or consult with your healthcare provider for guidance. When taking cranberry juice powder, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions, which could affect how your medications work or increase the risk for serious side effects. It is important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication regimen. If someone has taken too much cranberry juice powder and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Remember to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. It is important to follow up with your healthcare provider to monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you forget to take a dose of cranberry juice powder, take it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Be sure to check the storage instructions on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of medications in the toilet or drain unless directed to do so. Properly throw away this product and it is expired or no longer needed. Ask your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.